The fox, the cock, and the dog. In a forest there lived a cunning fox. He hatched a new plan every day and tried to trick other animals in the forest. One day the fox went up to the rabbits and said, "I can take you to a place where oranges taste like carrots." The rabbits chased away the fox. "We know you are trying to fool us. Go away," they said. Then the fox and the bird said, "I will take you to a place where you can have grain all year round." "Go away from here," said the birds. Now they were all aware that the fox played tricks on all animals. "Don't come near our eggs, you cunning fellow," said the hens. They saw the fox approaching. They too chased away the fox. The fox had to find someone to play his tricks on. One day he saw a cock. Not only is that the cock was new to the forest, he will also make a good meal, thought the fox. However, the fox knew that the cock would be scared if he saw him. "I must get the cock down from that roof, then it will be easier to catch him." "I must talk to the cock and win his confidence. Once the cock trusts me, I can pounce on him to eat him," thought the fox, smacking his lips. "What can I tell the cock?" wondered the cunning fox. Suddenly, he had an idea and slowly walked up to the cock. "Hello, Mr. Cock. Nice weather today," said the fox. The cock was a smart bird. He knew that a cock and a fox would never be friends. The cock did not reply. The fox continued, "I bring some very interesting news from marking the land." He has said, "From now, all the birds and beasts live together as friends in peace." The cock was now sure the fox was learning to come closer so he could eat him. The cock said, "That indeed is very interesting." The cock looked at the fox and said, "But do you really believe a cock and a fox could ever be friends? They have been enemies forever." The fox quickly said, "But that is all over now. We are friends and will live with peace. You can come down and give me a hug. Well, let us share the news with the other friends on the farm," said the cock loudly. "Who are you calling?" asked the fox a little nervously. "It was just the farmer's ferocious dog." When the fox heard this, he ran as fast as he could. He was sure the dog would tear him to bits. The cock had tricked the cunning fox. Cunning outwits itself.